Welcome everyone to my presentation on Maryland Bay Construction Company. This project plan is a hypothetical example of a construction plan. Okay, so this statement describes who Maryland Construction Bay Company is. Maryland Bay Construction Company is a major designer to Baltimore District and the surrounding areas. We provide several varieties in project management from simple renovations to commercial restructuring. The company is also credited as a known Baltimore community figure. So this statement describes the objectives of the plan. Starting on June 12, 2020 to August 22nd, 2022, Maryland Bay Construction shall be under contract for the completion of residential renovation at Pleasant View Gardens District, Baltimore, Maryland. So this describes the feature that Maryland Bay Construction Company is going to construct. And in this plan, we're going to construct one park with an indoor swimming pool, tennis court, football field, basketball court, and walking trail. One resort golfing course with 125 square foot putting court and 1,200 square feet of golfing grass. 1,450 square feet shopping center complete with Dollar Mart, nail salon, hair salon, shoe store, retail center, and food court. One local laundromat with one vending machine, 27 watchers, 12 coin machines, and 29 dryers. Three local fast food restaurant management, including one Smoothie King, one Checkers, and one Burger King. So this lists the subcontractors of the project, and the first subcontractors, AJ and Michael Companies. They're located at 4512 New York Road, Baltimore, Maryland District 21212. Their phone number is 1-401-435-4500. The second subcontractor is Design and Construction and Home Improvement. They're located at 2560 Riviera Road, Annapolis, Maryland District. Their phone number is 1-401-224-7366. The third subcontractor is Universal Handyman Services. They're located at 2907 Marinette Road, Baltimore, Maryland District 21209. Their phone number is 1-707-518-0777. Mercury Mansions Incorporated. They're located at 1417 Clark View Road, Baltimore, Maryland District 21209. Their phone number is 1-401-821-5150. So this just introduces you to some of the personnel that will be working on this project. The first person is Lionel H. Jamie. He's a project manager on the project. Samuel T. Wilson. He's an assistant project manager. Teresa S. Nathan. She's a project secretary. Carmen R. Staten. She's a project secretary also. Eric D. Bryan is a project designer. Shelton K. Wayne is a contractor. Elton S. Richard is an architect. Kurt Matthews is a plumber. And Carl Patterson is a masonry. So this is describing the equipment that will be rented and leased on this project. And during this project, we will need two cranes rented from Davis Crane Rental Incorporated. They're located at 4401 East Lombard Street, Baltimore, Maryland District 21224. Their phone number is 1-410-276-6773. We'll also be using three automated stations from New Vista Court, located at 900 North Macon Street, Baltimore, Maryland District 21205. Their phone number is 1-401-342-3820. And in addition to this, we'll be using two concrete anchors, three concrete cutting saws, 5 drill accessories, and 2 cordless tools, 1 generator, 4 ladders, 3 power tools, 2 chalking guns, 7 rotary hammers, 6 first aid kits, 13 glasses and goggles, 3 fire extinguishers, 27 dust masks, 32 hard hats, and 55 gloves. These will be coming from Professional Construction Supply, located at 6350 Frankfort Avenue, Baltimore, Maryland District 21206. Their phone number is 1-410-488-4550. So this is comparing the budgeted versus the quarterly rented and leased equipment prices. And as you can see, cranes is budgeted at close to 40%, while the quarterly price is close to 30%. Audio stations are budgeted at 30%, while the quarterly price is close to 20%. Supplies are budgeted at 15%. The quarterly price is close to 35%. Safety equipment is budgeted close to 20%, and the quarterly price is close to 15%. So these are the prices of on-site utilities that will be used during the project. And according to the plan, electricity will cost $120 per month, water will cost $100 per month, gas will cost $105 per month, light will cost $104 per month, cooling and heat will cost $156 per month, cable and internet will cost $167 per month. This is describing the additional on-site facilities that will be available. And these include 3 restrooms, 6 offices, 5 large printers, 10 computers, 8 filing cabinets, 4 shutters, 4 safes, 4 refrigerators, 3 microwaves, 2 toaster ovens, 3 coolers, 5 cash registers, 2 televisions, and 3 radios. So this is describing the company terms of the insurance being offered on this project. And equipment insurance is termed with Progressive Insurance, located at 5900 York Road, Baltimore, Maryland District. The cost is $107 per month. Employee insurance is termed with Government Employee Insurance. They're located at 231 East Baltimore Street, Baltimore, Maryland District. The cost is $500 per month. Indemnity insurance is termed with Allstate Home Improvement. They're located at 5831 Frederick Road, Catonsville, Maryland District. The cost is $95 per month. This is comparing the contract bond versus the client bond for this project. And according to these terms, the contract bond is 3.75 interest with balance available at the end of the 25th period. Budgeting $45,000 per year available and $20,000 available in bond refinancing. The client bond has terms 1.25 interest with a balance available at the end of the 25th period, $60,000 per year available in budgeting, and $12,000 available in bond refinancing. This is one of the government provisions that is a mission for this project by the Maryland Bay Construction Company. And it states, contractors required to give notice to commission and county prior to construction work. And according to this provision, before beginning road construction work on public roadway in the sanitary district in which water, sewage, and stormwater management structure is installed, a construction contractor shall give notice to the commission and the county of the proposed construction work. This is an environmental provision 9-698, and it states, before a person may dig in or do any other construction on any way in a service area, the person shall obtain from the Sanitary Commission approval of the digging and construction. This is provision 9-201. Money held in a trust by contractor or subcontractor. It states money paid under a contract by an owner to a contractor or by the owner or contractor to the subcontractor for work done or materials furnished or both, or about a building by a subcontractor shall be held in a trust by the contractor or the subcontractor as trustee for those subcontracting who did work or finished materials or both for purposes of paying those subcontractors.